Hi guys, welcome back to the shop. Today I'm going to show you how I fill my house in wood. Okay, first you start off with some sawdust. You can get it really easily. You just cut some wood and you'll get some sawdust, a little pile of it. Put it in a container. Next, you get your glue. Squirt the glue into the container. Make sure you apply a lot of glue to the joint. Next, you mix the sawdust and putty together. After it's mixed well, apply it to your piece of wood. This piece of wood has a knot in it, and this piece of wood has a hole in it. I'm going to fill this piece first. Next, I'm going to put it in the one with the knot with a crack in it. Next, you just need to wait for it to dry and then sand it. There, that's how I fill my holes in wood. Thank you for watching.